everyone, I'm Kate from Heal, Play, Live. Today we are covering an energy balancing technique that will help reestablish proper energy flow or life force flow to your reproductive system so that you can enhance your fertility. This technique actually also boosts your immune system, increases your vitality, and restores your energy as a whole, so you get more bang for your buck as well. In any case, the technique is just simply thumping on a set of points that are located just under your collarbone. So to actually find it, you go to this U-shaped notch at the base of your neck. It's a soft spot. And you go down about an inch and then out about an inch. You're going to probably fall into a dip or a valley. Most people have that. If not, you can just do the inch down and about an inch out. Use a bunch of fingers if you feel like you aren't on the right spots. That way you are definitely hitting the spot. And all you're going to do is thump like so vigorously for at least 15 seconds. Longer is fine, but you're going to make sure you're breathing at the same time. So I like to breathe in my nose and out my mouth. It looks like this. And you can play with the speed too. You can go faster or slower. You feel it out for yourself. But you can also close your eyes. I usually close my eyes when I do these techniques. And I'm kind of going longer than I normally would just because I'm talking you through this. But if that breathing through the nose and out the mouth is not comfortable for you and you have a better way of breathing for yourself, like in the nose, out the nose, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure you're breathing because that moves energy as well. And that's really all that is to this technique. You can also buzz or massage those points too, if that feels more comfortable for you. But start with the thumping, play around with massaging or thumping, and just know that it's really, really helping your reproductive system by giving it, reestablishing proper energy flow to that system. If you have any questions or comments, you can do so below this video, or you can find me at healplaylive.com. Bye.